Hello everyone, my name is Attila Brungs and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to UNSW for 2023. Whether you're just beginning your university career or you're continuing with us in your studies, you are an incredibly important member of the wonderful UNSW community. I think you've made an excellent choice to study with us, and I say that for three reasons. Firstly, of course, I'm the Vice-Chancellor, so naturally I'm biased. But secondly, I studied here too, and I absolutely loved it. And thirdly, well, that's unequivocally true, because at UNSW, you're part of an incredible community of people who share our expansive vision for improving lives right around the world through innovative research, transformative education, and a commitment to a just and equitable society. At UNSW, you'll learn from the very best academics and be supported by tremendous professional staff. You'll be encouraged to be curious, to ask questions, to think laterally, to think critically. You'll gain skills, knowledge and experience that will prepare you for fulfilling lives and careers. But of course, uni isn't just about the subjects or the study. It's also about immersing yourself in the full breadth of university life. You have boundless opportunities for personal growth and discovery, to participate in a vast range of activities like clubs, societies, sports, and importantly, make lifelong friends. So I encourage you, get involved, look after one another, and really enjoy your time with us. And if from time to time things feel overwhelming, please know it is more than okay to ask for help from the wonderful, caring people all around the university ready to help you get back on track. I assure you, you are not alone. Now, whether you're studying with us on campus or online, whether you're here in Australia or overseas, I am delighted that you're part of our quest to make a difference. And finally, I would ask that you always demonstrate what UNSW stands for. Every person, including me, is responsible for ensuring that our university is a place that focuses on inclusion, where everyone can study, work in a safe and welcoming environment. We are all responsible for making sure that UNSW is a place that exemplifies social justice, that inspires innovation and excellence. So on that note, I wish you an enjoyable and fulfilling time at UNSW, and I really look forward to meeting you. So please, if you see me around campus, come and say hello. And once again, a very warm welcome to you all.